Manipuri YouTubers si Uzui ka ger khai mai tan ma Uzui to Romeo nampi Romeo ko hi nam hauten hi promote hi dang te cho promote kuma ompo kin kala don khapu ma mountain hi my favorite hi ko my reaction when I got 10k. When I got 10k, my reaction is like this. I got 10k! Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you so much, all my subscribers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do A and Q or Q or A. As you know that I went to our village and we don't have time for doing vlogs, so here I am. Now I'm at our paddy field as my siblings are doing walks, and now I'm going to do the Q or A or Q and A. I'm gonna give answer. Okay, first of all, that sorry about that. And first of all, I would like to say that I'm not good in English. You have to keep in mind my English or my pronunciation will be different or not correct or something like that will be coming, but please understand that. As I told you, I'm not good in English, but I try my best to speak in English. Anyway, my name is Florence. I live in Gotangkot village, but mostly I stay in Churchanpur, Selembeng, and after 10 plus 2 I went to Hyderabad for nursing. I completed my nursing diploma in 2016, and after that I was working in Yeshida hospital, but because of some family problem, I come back to our hometown and stay with my brother, as my siblings are still young and don't have cooker in their house. As my mom stay in our village, and so I stayed with my siblings to help them to complete their needs, to cook food or do different stuff. We are 7 siblings. I am the second one. I have one elder sister, but she passed away in 2016. Because of that, I came back to this town. After my sis passed away, I'm staying with my younger brothers, and I'm the second katita. I'm the second eldest katita here. I have 2 younger sister and 3 younger brother. The two younger sister, then they got married, so I have to look after these 3 siblings. But among these 3 little brothers, the middle one got married, and I already have sister-in-law. Very good, Toilo. It's a blessed that. Then okay, my mothers and my fathers are working at our village. That's it. And let's start with our Q and A. Okay, it's so many, I don't know. Mostly the questions are same, so I cut it off. Let me answer from the back. Okay. Zen Homei Ga Mei. Why do you want to be a YouTuber? I want to be a YouTuber because I want to export my village life and how we live, how we eat. Because of that, I want to be a YouTuber so people recognize and know from me. Let me ask you one question. Example, you are a doctor, you have only 1 vaccination left, and 15 years boy came and 17 75 old lady came to whom you will give vaccination and why. Chan chan da 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 da. Man sang hi Baite hi la chu emi pau tho the hi a 15 years old boy a hi la chu now pang na lai tha ha dilai ta ka hi mo ama hi chu kipelo phol le khol immunity is strong for 15 boys, so I will give my vaccination to the 75 years old lady because she's already weak and adam sung kum le chom ta kha sam khat bek a hin theng na ding kha vaccination ma zo ki pele phana lun cha Baite media. My question is, are you really engaging with you and you mga taleji ka jik penalty. Thanks for my answer. Thanks for answering my question. Advance things that tita answer lo thelo ka hipoi. Video ka simlai hi nung ka samo very no mi mai ki le adik dik ko chang le kong nui ja sek ka chang ho ka nui khop tan la ka sut ki se ka hi. I really enjoy making video to make you Elmin how keep I ngai the ding ham I ngai the hi a I wanga double ga nei chi the lo cho ti lo kisim gal lo indin na chi chu bu yum ta cho I wanga chi ngai pi chu kholo pi bon ki ngai the hong koi ham. What is your qualification? How much you have earned in YouTube till now? What is your favorite Naga YouTuber and why? What is your qualification? My qualification is 10 plus 12. Nasai 10 plus 12. My qualification is 10 plus 2. And I have diploma in nursing. That's it. How much you have on YouTube? I am starting earning, but the amount is still less, so I'm not gonna say it. Who is your favorite Naga YouTuber? Mata Ken Vlog, that YouTuber mukbanger. I love his video because he explored all the how we enjoy at our village and how we live at our village. Because of that I enjoyed it. Because of that I like his voice. Jeffrey, who is the most important in your life and why? My mom and dad is the most important in my life because they look after me from my mom womb till now. They look after me. Yes, I didn't earn any single rupee. Still I am using their money, so they took care of me every day and night, so I trust my mom and dad and he's little sound in how cute. Tell me something that I don't know about you. I will tell you something that you don't know about me is I am very quiet in real life and love sleeping a lot. Zohi Di Ham Chongloi, what's the most useless talent you have? Sleeping. The most useless talent I have is sleeping. I can sleep the whole day and night. Sis, I just love your video because it's unique. That no one from Google Society have done like this. By the way, my question is that chiho video na sep na ha pen to ano pen say PO dong man nei tan te dong man ka nei tan ka video sep ha pen cho hile ke le ke camera ka kila camera ken ka fix ji hen chi ko ha pen in azole ano pen chu acting bol ho ano pen zo til ne ka na no pholai kala dam. And so he ni sang kim how keep single or taken. I'm taken age. I'm above 30. Height he 5.4 cái hi 5.5 tiếng út cái chỗ rồi and hi lilian vai pay muk bang na samjang jang chu bang za da hem mi samjang ki hezo zai de hem za za pi lun jo el vai pay a chang le muk bang la ball sek a ji ho hu min hong sponsor mo a hi lo le nang in la ki chok ala ball sek mo kanu nei chok pi kanu sum no se mang chai de ka te zo hi Renan Sharma hangam le ba lak ba ya ge draw ti ei gi hangam de loi kre mathang da I karira winter time de la bi o ado hojik di loi kre sensor are you from medical profession what are your hobbies beside cooking and vlogging. Yes, I am a medical professions as I'm a nurse. What are your hobbies besides cooking and vlogging, teacher? I love singing with my God voice and dancing like a frog jump. Lem hoi vai pay hair care routine la nei le honggen ti zo hoi tak mo la ho ti ka ho hele ko tang ko ta hi andro lam ma hi mo zo chu hair care routine hi bang ma ka nei pon shampoo le ka nom no ka to ba pha ka ma da hin ka mat mong le pon coconut oil hi chu chang le ka nu se chu yeng mang boy hang hal ta bang za la thozel it's depend to my work. If I don't have work, I'll sleep till 11 a.m. 12 noon. If I have work, I can wake up at 5, 4, 6, 8, 10. Rồi hi Elron Kipgen nangai aka zi hi ipiti nagel am nangai aka zi ipiti nagel am cái dòng nangai chalai lo thawa ka hi ipiti nagel am nangai ka hi banga nang jong ki ngai na ka ji na henge na ngai ka kap si chalai hi local hon thum chi kalel ji dan ki ngai na ka sang chlai hongin lang lo khabe be ang tule chon phano dham na naulak lam om na banga dilam ka om jel ka hiya. But sometimes I went to our village and to the side about place really to ka ho go tang kot hi hoi muna hun tam zo jang ti cho hoi muna kan nam kalam hi tam zo mang kai. Next boiling how keep sis nang hi nurse a hi ati nang la hoi lai a na tong na hi mati mo ke hi nurse ke wang na ka tong te pon ina nga mai me ka hi ta nei nurse in nga Sam Zosi PUBG Mobile Kitty, what's your biggest fear and what's your reaction when you realize you got 10k subscriber? My biggest fear is to lose my mom and dad, and my reaction my reaction when I got 10k. When I got 10k, my reaction is like this. I got 10k! Oh my god! Thank you so much for my subscriber. This is my reaction. So Zam sing son X is at na tam sis atin. X ki sim seng pon de ka kum sang dang tam zo hin. Say that out te song leo cooks sis na jilham I ka jile lekha bangjat chan na sim ham or bangjat na sim lekha hi 10 plus 2 chan bokona sim ji zo chu nurse kana jile hi to hi nurse mo in nga kai ta na hi lam nei thim to thang na sam atam dan le hoi dan ka dei in nang in iti na care ha mati ni CPO tin ka sam hi ka care da tu da ompon sampu le kanom no ko cha da hin coconut oil chu kar khada khatwe hama ga nu mai ji jejem zo what is your profession other than being a YouTuber? My profession is cooking. Ai mai tama tu chu nurse ki zil talo kha kisem talo kha pize na sam chu kitan in kitile pina gel dam ka sami ka kitan in tile pima ka gelo de kanu gadot pat ngai ding a hin. Angel Chawang, what is your favorite color and food? City, my favorite color is white and second pahi yellow dirty fellow. Food he too pork. I like pork the most. Happy Lisa in hate and weight. Please sister to hate 5.4. I almost reached 5.5, but I'm in the between of 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5, I guess. Zoe Thailand, what is singing voice? Kate ka oh mo mai de what song will I sing? Koi bakat vei zola koi num dem ni vei zola koi num dem tum vei gia anop lole happy chanu khat zo nei pi o nim wale ma boy mang how keep family member is at nayu ham nang ho film member si ko wa beitan to hi kan autte jine hi le masa achu 9 ka hi win to hi ko wa beizo achu 8 ka hi tawe family thu hi chu ge no ngai lo ke akhir tyo jumu. If I pronounce it wrong, please, I'm sorry. When did you start your first YouTube video and what inspired you to become a YouTuber? Until October, I started my YouTube. My first video was published in October 2020. I did boy. And who inspired you to become YouTuber? No one inspired me, but when I watch different types of YouTube, and as I love as a village life, and I want to spread this village life that the world and those who are didn't know how we spend our life and how we eat, what we do. Because of that, I started doing this YouTuber. No one inspired me. Lane Cookie, my question is, I wonder why you are such a funny and laughable person. I always laugh whenever I watch your video, but I never see you smile and laugh. Why? As my voice is not so good, you will hear my laugh sound like ha. I did because of that. I don't want to laugh in front of the mirror, but whenever someone say something about nothing, I don't know, I used to laugh with my full voice tone, ho like that. Easy ka kumale nga nung malo. Ano gitu lang ngay nalom no mayong tisela mo. Question ni gibang team yan sang hi te leave ka din mo. Gibang ro sa hangin ka. Just Linas, how do you remain so positive, dear? How do you remain so positive? Is positive kele kalau ujung kalau tuh jeng negativity mind sen su kumaking le lakhoti positive mind ni le me when someone got a positive mind and they give us what stamina when we feel bad or something like that, when they say something about positivity or a positive sentence or positive word to us, we get a strong stamina, and starting from that the words, and we become stronger because of that. I am positive every day and every night. I don't kumachu ibang khathilo sila hele khachu tha thanong pathi ka abona tha thanong ka negative ha hogen le sama nim de do de chu isa tha nom na push up jok lima sa push up le ma khale ji keep a to gen ki pat and isto sot ki par ha mayang thanom de do de zo he or she can reach his goal ma easy go ha positive kile positive ka thai kham chu positive jing go chu kai je chau kip official hin ipedia hi bang a nakhala ham means so very chom kalang lang te ho hi khala jong ka hi pon ata ata chu silent that ima jong sei ngam lo mi koma chi doya ngai jong sei ngam lo ken hi la ipiung ti ham video ko he khala na na ko me hi wanga chu saya silent ka hin mi in ka video ho avet nom ni dile ipi ham i amo ho kilang ki pa na am lo jong le mi a ki pa na ka sim do thei kha le ka tin chi je cho khala ka he zon the next question nem nei ching to thang sis na mel jong a hoi in phajong na pha tu e ma chal jing in lang 30 ke hong lung ting le na hair color yellow na hin na nu de he na nop am yellow wang to no blonde hair cho khopun asan hila khopun yellow wang no kasam ka blitz num lo ji chu sam hi blitz ting hoi num pon a dry num na coloring mai cho khopun to jong hi ning kuma cho blue color street cho kho kan blitz hin to ai mat na be tan a hin to black kanu khu mai na blue kanu ki patna black chile burgundy kanu hi to a dry pa cho ta poi ti si chun 30 kel hing jong leng yellow kanu num poi na sis no mona sa hin jol hing cha haulai flow by ten hi ham hoi a hi lo le to na a na ki to na za dan hamati he kumi za pha le jinei ding na ti ham ba baite ka hi in baite hoi vai phe ka hi in a hi wanga kom na munu i mun chum hang chu mana ki he je chom na mun pa na ki tho in chi ko hoi wang chu vai phe pau thi se ka tho na vai phe hi baite hi vai phe ke we ti jong chu kan he sa in hi a hi lo le to na nei na za am ti pen him to na hi pon vai phe ka hi win baite hi vai phe ke hi we ti chu aven kan sei kit in komisa phal ni din ti hang ke chu jinei di mong to ha ka lunga i ma chap ta pon e hi wanga komung cha le na ki ngai pi ki nei na na cha we ti chu ki nei lo ham zo chu i pi ham chi amin hi ka he thei ki ta pon jockey ki ti DJ ke jockey na cute dan yes or no ate ka cute lo chu ke he ta he ke wa ka kum ta to ka kum tam ta to sei de na jong ke no ti di chu la ki cute tho yes ti di chu la kum tam ta na ke he ta he ban lam jolin vai pay your aim in life at in masa ase new lai doctor ho adu ta ho ana ki hinom hen de hin la le to hi nurse chan chu kana aim do na aban hi le nu di ta nu pha le cha te kai to thim ta ka hinome chi chu ka bana de na kim cg makeup or without makeup ete makeup be chu ka dei theroin ei wang every day every time chu makeup wang ka dei pun question hoilai ham khana na po do ho makeup ka jang no min hi every time ma denga cham no makeup zo ka tele and jurei team how keep who is your boyfriend sis floating ka boyfriend pa hi boyfriend jo ka ne ni ma wang si da ta te na Jessica apes kitin why don't you stay with your family masa chu lockdown o hin lockdown di kun chat cha ka family ho kana ho school kai thelo pha na chu ko kholang ina bon ho hin chiu in o tha do pangen ka ching sa pawa ho poi ma he thona na why don't you stay with your family because all my families went to our village before the lockdown so I was staying at our home because as you know our home is just a bamboo mat and it was not good to leave her alone because of that I'm staying at our home but now I'm staying with my family again I'm back to our village so you will meet all my family afterward Gangte JR where's your mom and dad my moms and dad are at our village right now with me Pangmin in Baite why your hair is so long tin kasam hi katan no na hi Hyderabad kana ki pat na hi ka hatan be se le ta pon ji ban na ju sam chom hi kanu na venom pon ji ju sam kana ton no he because of that I'm not cutting hair my mom didn't allow that allowed to cut it more dingku ton sing who is your favorite Amy YouTuber he North Sky hin a hi mo a jik joila mai la hapan pia because ma hin ila pan pia if YouTube kom bol ki pare ma ki pare mangin chang tu bangai amangin chang hi YouTuber e promote himo dang taking ne chu ka gendi po e promote un tile ka gendi po hin ama hi chi ka kha an awane pha hin lai mai ai khana lo tene len lang not sky uzi khama zo hi ji amin ka leni yes Pauline kitin do you want to be famous actress tichu famous actress diwang chu kanum pon aji chu kanum di because I'm not good in acting it's okay to be like this in Celine David how wife flow by the what the tit but gang te pau ham na tho hi 18 why flow Baite it's a flow Baite it's a Baite te vai pick you Baite are we are vai pay again so ta ma sa khale ngo chu gang te pau ipun ka tho hi vai pay hi zo banga ta le min teu da mak the tu ka sim do thei lo to create kisma who inspire you to make videos it's get kumar no one inspired to make video I just made by myself and as we know all the other YouTubers or China even China or other Vietnamese or Indonesia they amau sabau su gendang ka mau khovel ti agam hoidan YouTuber bol khatha no ma en le gam hoidan ho in sep dan ho min hele ti ki pada khama kumar inspire lo ma le ji ka ki pada hong ki pan to min e gam e chon dan hele ti ki pa ka do ji ka kong sim pada hi kim ramoy vai pay favorite Manipuri YouTuber zo he please answer my question tin favorite Manipuri YouTuber si uji ka ger khai mai tan ma ujui to Romeo nampi Romeo kho hi na mountain hi promote hi dangte hi cho promote kuma ampu kin kala don khapuma mountain hi my favorite hi mai hi so hi question le south ya and rem Juliet to thang sis flow na YouTube account min flow Baite kiti hi wang vai phe wang hi wang a flow vai phe na kiti ipiti dan ham hi nei hil chin pi diu ham ke henomi ati hi chu ke hil chin tai ma masa kha cho flow Baite kalatin and nai hi masa flow vai phe kati at kati hi me hi a hin la pumin di ko la phaso ne kati ma it is better to keep in our surname so kati ji flow Baite ti ka sang hi aji chu na video ka vet jinga hi ji in baka henai ting na sanle ka sim thei poi hello di chu phaka support thanks always supporting you with ki pa amen si pa supporting us sheets zo Mr. Thangko Pao till now how much do you earn from YouTube till now sumchu ka earn panta hele atam nai pomo gen chu za char na la ya kan chu ka earn panta yeah Sang Jamir do you want to marry a Naga boy from Nagaland okay khoko sa proposal so if he love me and care about my family it's okay even I did not separate Naga Meitei Manipuri Kuki Aduda I didn't separate from anyone but if he love me and care about my family it's okay it's mere kicheng pi thei lo ko mam po ami phana ma imi hang mi just flow I like you a lot nang hi la simple thei ma man enop la te hi tulai lockdown hi mang tilamat am boring or chilling kichu boring man lo very chilling ka hi TNL channel kitin kan dot nom chu ipilunggil na nei anani mimin na say ham nin hin chin o just for fun na te chi anop na dinga kana say hin na chi chu first video tele chu na kana ball pok video chu kana say hin thang tin len how ki holoi how boy holoi tong thin tan ti holoi chu kana sil I bau ting thang to holoi chu kana say anop na dinga na mi khat itiam khat ho chulang nang khat to iga cho pol le e jong ke excited cho chi je cho kana say he iti mi ke exo hi le du da ho ja kana say hi pun na anop na dinga thil piam excitement khat inei thine ding ho kana say ti chu a hin Rolly Sanfuri your birth name. I think a birth name is Florence a hin. My birth name is Florence. And what's your qualification? My qualification is 10+2, and I have got a diploma in nursing. And have you ever in a relationship pair, and are you single? Yes, I am taken already. So how many siblings you have now? I have 5, 2 younger sister and 3 younger brother. That's all. Next, how do you handle the criticism when people criticize you? When people criticize me, I used to say like that. I used to think, and I used to make myself stronger. When they say something bad about me, I used to say it's okay. It's a world. We have different thought, different thinking, different mindset. So it can happen. So just leave it, and I just move it on that way. How much do you earn in YouTube? I started earning from YouTube when I got monetized, but now it's still less. I earned it so less, so I'm not gonna say it. I feel ashamed of that. Aniket Galande, what is your biggest fear in life? My biggest fear in life is to lose my mom and dad. What is your dream that you want to achieve? My dream right now, I want to achieve that 100k subscriber. That is my dream right now. And love from Maharashtra. I'm happy about Northeastern YouTuber growth success. Congratulations on your 10k subscriber. Keep entertaining. Thank you so much. LGS Wang Tamang Akitin mo. Are you living alone? No, I'm not living alone right now. Right now I'm staying at our village. Before, I'm staying alone at our home at Churchampur, as my whole family went to our village, but now I'm with them. What is your hobby? My hobby is cooking, gardening, making fun, making jokes, and extra. Do you have any profession job or any other work? So I don't have any profession job anymore. Before, I was working at hospital, but now I'm not working, and now I'm just doing a vlog and some entertainment. That's it. That's all is our question. Most of them are same, so I didn't wrote it down. 3, 4, 5 pages. This, see, writing. Sometimes I cannot read out my own handwriting. I don't know why. My brain is useless, I guess. Anyway, thanks for your question, and I try my best to answer it all. Thanks for it, and we are going to do when we reach 10k 100k subscriber again, because a Q&A is a long durations of video, as we know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and now I have to walk again. My brothers are walking right now, and I'm doing a vlog right now. But it's okay. Okay, I hope you enjoy my Q&A vlog, and keep supporting. As I say, I'm not good in English, but you guys are still enjoying my video. I give thanks to you all. Oh, my tear. things to you all. It's okay, and keep supporting me, and I love you so much. Bye.